Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing. Another day, another unboxing. And this one is from Loyal Stricklin, a small company that made their bags and products in United States. So if you like to support made in US products, you can go check out this company. I always like their products, so when I saw that they had a sample seal, I couldn't resist. It's not like I need another bag, right? Well, I guess I'm someone who cannot resist a sale. It's unfortunate for my saving account. This is a receipt, and this is how they pack the bag. Let me take the bag out. It's good that they wrap the bag in plastic because now it's fall, so it has been raining quite a bit in Pennsylvania, so it's good that they have this plastic bag to protect the bag so that if the box sitting outside is not going to get rain on and get wet, then I will have to deal with more issue. Let's remove the plastic. So this is the rucksack from Loyal Stricklin. They call it rucksack, but it's basically a roll top backpack. And I believe this was made from Horween Derby leather. I think they mix with the wax and then tumble it to create this kind of texture and create kind of a slightly vintage look. It's more rugged looking leather, so I guess it's perfect for making backpacks like that. Supposedly the sample seal is 50% off, so it's supposed to have some little imperfection. But so far I haven't noticed anything. Yep, haven't seen anything obvious, so I think this is okay. If it's not something obvious, it's no big deal, right? Let's see. And this is the shoulder strap. Quite a thick leather. Let's look inside. Let's unbuckle this. So it seems that on the outside it has two deep pockets. I wonder this is big enough for a water bottle. Try to squish my hand in. Wow, the leather is quite thick and the bag is definitely a little heavy. So if weight is your concern, this may not be the best option for you. But if you love a quality leather bag, this one that made from Horween leather from Loyal Stricklin, it feels amazing. The leather feels amazing. If you have bought anything that's made from Horween leather before, you probably would know that their leather just feel differently. The texture, the touch just a little bit more supple. Let me look inside. I wonder it's just a big giant space or actually anything inside. I'm probably not able to show you, but inside the bag it has a laptop compartment. Quite a deep backpack. For a roll top backpack, they are very generous with the roll top. Look at that. If you fill it all the way up, it's quite a giant bag. You can use it for travel for sure. So far, look through the whole bag, I really haven't found any imperfection. Other than on the shoulder strap has a little bit of scuff mark, but other than that, nothing major at all. I don't even see a scratch or a dent on the leather. Let's put on the shoulder strap. So they use this kind of a buckle for the shoulder strap. It's not the fastest way to adjust the shoulder strap, but it's very secure that way. And look at the shoulder strap, it has double rivets, so you know this would be durable and last for a long time. No way you can pull this apart. Also on the back side, where it attached the shoulder strap and the handle, it also has double rivets. They really nailed this in, isn't it? There's no way you can pull this open, so this is a super durable bag. I would say I'm pretty confident that you can use this one for a lifetime. After attach the strap, this is how it looks like. So this is how it looks if I carry it over my shoulder. Pretty comfortable. Even though the leather is thick and this is quite a big backpack, but I think it should still be comfortable when you carry it, because sometimes it's not just the weight of the bag or how thick the leather is, also the way they construct the bag. When somebody designs a bag properly, even though it's a thick leather, you don't feel so heavy when you really carry it. So this seems to be the case. When I put it on, it feels quite comfortable. So other than backpack, they also make other products in store. For example, I love their denim jacket. I'm going to find a picture, and if you are interested in made in US product, for example, good quality leather backpack, tote bag, or denim jacket, feel free to check out their website. This is from Loyal Stricklin, and I'm happy that I'm able to purchase this one during their sample sales. Thanks for joining me today for this quick unboxing, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!